Episode 101!
Oh! Whoa, simmer on the glass countertop, Billy.
No, it's okay.
It's okay. Oh, it's just shattered. It's an earth-shattering episode, as Chris wants to say.
That would have been good.
But,
Wouldn't that have been exciting? Smashing glass, we wouldn't even need sound effects.
no, not really, because like we would have to pay for the glass. So it
Not me.
I see how this relationship works.
I broke it, so I probably would replace it.
I would hope so.
Yeah.
I mean, you didn't replace the TV that you smashed.
No, I didn't. But I mean, like, that was an accident. That would have been like...
Accidentally on purpose, that one.
That one, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Well,
Gets
fair
into the TV right off the start.
yeah, right to the TV.
We're at 101 episodes without we could turn over a new leaf when he brings up the TV.
I'm like an elephant. I never forget.
Oh, killing me, Smalls.
No, you killed the TV.
No, the summit killed the TV.
But you were holding the summit.
It had nothing to do with it. Details.
It's all of the details. The details are lost. We're past that point in our relationship. Now we're on episode 100.
Can we get over the TV?
Well, we got over the 100 episode mark, so I think so.
Did. I think we can do it.
I think so.
Oh,
okay,
thank God.
well, let's get into it. So,
I don't want to find a new friend.
this is Chris,
That's Aaron.
and we're live. Episode 101, Ultra C Hobbies Show.
Yes.
So, as you can probably tell, we did 100 episodes prior to this one, so maybe you should go check out
back there.
some of the other episodes that we've done. We do have lots of fun and lots of footage.
Unfair racing league.
We have done lots of that.
That up against
that was fun.
That was
fun.
Yep.
But talking about kind of racing and things like that,
Yep.
we do a lot of that as well.
Yes, we
go
do.
racing across Western Canada. We
Yep.
do a lot of different things with modding. Maybe you're into drag racing. We build those, and we have showed a lot of that stuff on the show. So
Yes.
go back and look. Episode 89, I think, was converting a Bandit into a Slash. So we do a lot of cool stuff. So thank you for tuning in.
Yeah.
But on tonight's episode, we have a couple different things going on.
Yeah.
So what do we got going on, Chris?
We've got a tech tip from Mr. Aaron here.
Yep.
And then I went out bashing with the Max because it's been broken for a while. I finally got it fixed.
And broke it again.
And I broke it again. And then I decided to take the Gravedigger out because we really only got one jump in with the Max.
Yeah.
And then we actually had a guy come in just off the street with a Slash, and he hit the jump a few times too, so that was a lot of fun.
Seems like everyone's having fun.
It was a great day.
So let's go to the Max failure.
Yeah.
Let's start with that. So here's some Max footage of what could have been really awesome turned into not so really awesome.
Some bashing in the beautiful snow.
There you go.
The Max, guys. I haven't driven the Max in so long. I've been sitting on my bench all sad and broken. I finally fixed it. Let's take it out for a drive. So nice out today for a drive with the Max. The only problem the Max is having today is traction. It is quite slippery out, and the Max has quite a bit of power behind it. So it is quite hard to keep it straight, but still puts the power down, still wants to wheelie. But the biggest problem I have with this truck is it really wants to spin around. So the biggest upgrade I'm going to be doing to it is Traxxas has released the Wide Max kit, which brings it out 20 millimeters a side. So that's going to widen up the truck 20 millimeters each side. So that's gonna be really nice, and that's gonna make the truck a lot more stable. So that's gonna be the next upgrade for this guy. But for now, we're just gonna keep driving the crap out of it. She still gets them and goes just fine. But the tires just lack a little bit of traction. The tires lack a little bit of traction, guys. I'm stuck in everything. Just kick it. 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 Just get it. Just get it. Getting ready to send the Max. We're gonna send her to the moon.
Or directly into the fence. One
Or
of the
right
two.
into the fence.
One
I
of
made
the
you aiming for the garage roof, but I'll take fence. Or the spot in between the garage and the fence looks pretty
trajectory
nice.
angle looks like fence.
Looks like fence, yeah. We'll take it. We'll take it. I believe that the garage and the fence are stronger than the Max, so I am 100% faith that this is gonna work gloriously or horribly. But let's give it a shot. Oh, that was good. we made it quite a ways. We made it to the end of the fence almost, but as you guys can see, the Max isn't quite fully connected anymore. So it looks like we broke the front caster block there. So we need some parts. Well, that was a lot of work for one jump, but you know what? It was definitely worth it. Well, seeing as we broke the Max after one jump. One jump, I broke it. But I mean, it's kind of how I roll. Everything I do, I break my truck. But we've got the Gravedigger here, and we're gonna send it off the jump, and we're gonna see what happens. How far is it gonna go? Who knows? Let's find out. It's a little slippery out today, so the Gravedigger is a little bit hard to control. So trying as hard as we can to keep it straight, sending off some jumps for you. Yeah, nice. That was a good one. Landed nice and flat and even. I'm gonna just dig in here and get her. Oh yeah, we got the Gravedigger. Oh yeah, we got her. We got Traxxas Slash showed up. We're gonna try to hit the jump here. Nice, right upside down. Nice, planted it right in there. Almost stuck, you almost can't see it. Nice.
So that was kind of a little bit of a failure.
No, not a failure. Okay, we hit the fence. But as you guys saw, we were kind of expecting to hit the fence.
You should have moved the jump a little bit and landed on the roof.
But the problem is, you've only got this much sidewalk, and so much runway, and I was already turning into the jump.
Well, I mean,
So
that's
in
what
order
Taylor's
to turn,
for, dude.
in order to, yeah, but there's a lot of traffic.
Ah, well, they
Take
can
what you
just
can get,
simmer.
man.
They
Take
just
what
simmer.
you can get.
They simmer. To just like get Matt to like block the road and say, no, detour.
We already had 2 people stop after that one guy stopped. Another person stopped just to watch. It actually blocked some traffic. So it was just like, luckily we weren't there for too long after they stopped.
True. very
Everyone
true.
had broken.
But that
the
was
Gravedigger.
that was Chris's max jump.
Yeah, and the Gravedigger's in there too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have a tech tip. This is something that everyone should do, including for your brand new pinions.
Yep.
Or if you're honestly just making sure that your pinion doesn't fall off, you can do this with steel drive shafts. You can really do this with any sort of steel
metal
product.
Screw, any metal going into metal or metal going into aluminum.
Yep, something that you don't want to fall out and you're going to use Loctite.
Yeah.
So here's the pro tip of actually we're converting a drag car. So here you go, check it out.
Sorry, you guys make
Hey Aaron, what are you working on? What are you doing over here, buddy?
Putting
Are you working on drag cars?
I am working on drag cars.
Yeah. What are you putting in this this Slash differential?
Okay, so we have a hot racing.
Yeah.
We're gonna do their spool unit,
Yeah.
but something like a pro tip on their spool, you can see it already. They
comes
give
apart.
you 2 grub screws
Yeah.
on both sides of the spool unit,
Okay.
but there's only 1 flat spot.
Oh, so what are you gonna do?
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen off all the screws and we're gonna Loctite them on there really good.
Yep.
But the biggest thing is, and we've showed this on many of previous videos, but I'll show it again just because it's a good tip and everyone should know this tip. What you do is you take a brand new piece of paper towel, something
Yep.
that doesn't have grease on it.
And put some grease on it.
No,
Oh.
negatory.
Brake
Put
clean.
brake clean.
Ooh.
And what you do is you run the grub screw through the brake clean.
What are you doing that for?
I'll show you. So then you see, look at all this, look at all the grease and grime and all the
It's
stuff
all
on that grub
oily.
screw. Yeah, so they put machine oil on here.
Yeah.
So now what we can do when we put this spool back in is you can put blue Loctite on here and it actually
Yep.
has something to grab to. So what we'll also do is also spray some brake clean down the threads there and make sure that we have some good adhesion points.
Yeah, because otherwise that Loctite is not gonna stick on that grub screw.
Correct. And then this is just gonna spin and you gotta take the whole transmission apart to redo it.
You're not going anywhere fast. Give you a
Negatory.
quarter mile in 30 minutes.
Well, I'll push it.
Yeah, we'll push it. That's it.
That's it.
That's 101, man.
That's what I want.
That's episode 101, 101. That's how you do 101.
I'll agree with that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's how you do episode 101.
Yeah, there you go. So that's
We
the
did
end.
it. We
The
did
end.
it.
We did it. We made it.
Good job.
We made it. High five. Venice.
That was a good high five.
That was crisp.
Yeah, that was good.
That was crisp.
We usually miss.
Yeah, usually. It's all in the details of like
Yeah.
looking at the elbow.
Yeah, no, I just like, oh, I'm looking over there or something.
If you ever need a pick me up, Ultra RC Hobbies gives away crisp, clean high fives for
Yeah,
free.
Yeah.
So come
But
get
be
your-
careful there for me. Bad aim.
Bad aim. Yeah, he's hit me in the face a couple times. Smash. Yeah.
That was on purpose.
That's not what you told me. But anyway, that's episode 100 of the Ultra RC Hobbies Show. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Before we say goodbye, though, don't forget to check out Chris on social media.
Yes.
RC Deebs. So he is on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook.
Yeah.
Don't forget to check out our website, www.ultrarchobbies.com. Don't forget to check us out on social media. So Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat. We do a lot of cool stuff all the time. So keep up to date on that.
Don't forget to hit that like button, eh?
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe.
Share
hit the
with your
bell.
friends if you like the episode.
Yeah. And we would really appreciate it. So we'll catch you on the next one, though. Goodbye.
Bye.
Chris, catch UDR.
Oh!